What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing Snapchat's headliner again. It didn't come out that good, so we're going to redo it. Okay, well, we're going to start off from taking off one of these corners, pulling it up, and taking off the whole headliner. I do have the new one, and I have the glue as well. Okay, guys, we got the headliner off. Right now we're going to take out the leftover from the headliner, clean it up, and then it'll be ready for the new headliner. I just gotta cut out the sunroof a little bit more because I believe this side was a bit more close to the sunroof, so I gotta cut it. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, guys, we have the headliner here. We are doing the yellow again, suede, and the headliner is now ready. We're about to glue. Okay, guys, we just finished the headliner. Look how it came out. I have more progress on it, and right now we're about to move all the cars. We just finished the headliner, and it came out pretty good. Okay, we have the headliner done, and then I put on the little glove department right here, painted it black, so it looks all complete now. What's going on, guys? So we will be doing our first giveaway on the Nissan Titan window with the full installation, or we could just send you out the window itself, so all the shipping will be on us. Or if you guys don't want the window, we will be giving $500 cash. All you gotta do to enter is buy one of these stickers. Right now we are in the process of putting our website up, so for right now you guys will have to follow the Instagram and DM me if you guys do want to buy the sticker, so you guys will be cash apping me and sending me your name and your phone number so I can write you down. So every time you guys buy a sticker, it's 5 entries, so your name will go down 5 times. So if you want to buy a multiple, so that'll be 10 times your name to win the window or the $500 cash.